At Lucintel, we have done significant research into the pressure sensor market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the pressure sensor market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews throughout the value chain of the pressure sensor market to bring you these insights. Now, before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself and Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A around the world. Now, let me share some of the insights in the pressure sensor market and as well as some of the opportunities in play. To summarize, we see the opportunity for pressure sensors as being interesting. For example, the market is projected to reach $16.5 billion in global value by 2025. That represents a compound annual growth rate of 7.4%, which is faster than GDP. Pressure sensor opportunities have evolved through a number of stages to the current MEMS and NEMS pressure sensor technology used today. Currently, piezoelectric is the largest opportunity based on technology type, whereas the automotive industry is the largest end-use industry by demand. In terms of regions, Asia-Pacific provides the largest opportunity for pressure sensors, followed by Europe and then by North America. If you look into the value chain, the ecosystem for the pressure sensor market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the key drivers and emerging trends that we see in this market. Major drivers include increasing demand for MEMS technology, whereas some of the challenges include the high cost of purchasing and integrating sensor technologies. In terms of the emerging trends, we see implantable pressure transduction systems and the development of NEMS pressure sensors as being significant trends in this market. Now, as you've seen, Lucintel has examined various drivers, opportunities, and challenges in the market. And in order to compete effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could focus on developing capabilities in resonant solid-state and optical pressure sensor technologies to compete effectively. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the pressure sensor market. This report can help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Is a more incremental approach to growth more advantageous? Or, where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these or other questions about the pressure sensor market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video.